Hi, this is Miss Carrie from the West Bloomfield Township Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Bookflix. I just finished exploring the imagination section on Bookflix, so I'm going to go there. I'm going to click on imagination. I do want to tell you that everything in Bookflix is read or told to you. I just happen to have the volume off so that it doesn't interfere with me talking. I'm going to scroll down to the book that I looked at, which is called You Are What You Eat. To read and listen to the book, simply click on the cover, wait for it to load, and then you can use the arrows to move to the different pages. If you click right here where it says read along, you'll notice that you'll be able to hear what is read to you, and you can control and make it go slower, or you can pause, or you can play it again. If you would like it to be full screen, simply click on this arrow right here. That's how the nonfiction books work. Let's take a look at how the fiction books work. I'm going to click on Watch the Story. The fiction book that goes along with this is called There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Fly. It's a little video clip of the book being read, and you'll be able to read the words along at the bottom with it. It will take a minute to load, so you'll just need to be patient. I can also play games on Bookflix. So under Puzzlers, you will see that there'll be different games. I'm going to click on Word Match. The directions can be read to you. Simply click on this little blue icon. The directions say, read the clue below, click on the word that it matches to uncover a picture. The clue is good for the body. And I'm going to click on the word healthy. I'm correct. There's also a fact or fiction game. In this one, they're asking me to read the sentence or listen to the sentence and decide, is that sentence fact or fiction? Milk is good for your growing bones. I believe that's a fact. Yes, I am correct. Which came first? This is a sequencing game, and I can look at the pictures of the story and place them in sequence. What happened first? What happened next? What happened last? I believe There Was an Old Lady That Swallowed a Fly is first. There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Dog came next. And There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Horse is last. Then I can also dig deeper. When I click on Explore the Web, these are all different websites that are appropriate for you. Click on one of them, like Arthur Games Lunch-O-Matic, by clicking Go. A new window will pop up with the game. In this particular game, the directions will read it to you. There is an audio button here that you can click. When you're done with the game, simply go to the top corner and click the X, and you'll be back in Bookflix. This bottom tab here says Meet the Creators. This is where you can learn about the author and the illustrator. Take a look at all these topics in Bookflix. There is so much here that you can explore and learn from. How do you get to Bookflix? Well, simply go to the West Bloomfield Township Public Library's website. You are going to need a library card. So if you don't have one, you and your parents can click here where it says Get or Renew Your Library Card today. Once you have your library card, click on eLibrary, and then click on Bookflix. You will be asked to put in that library card number and click Login, and then you can begin. I am sure you will have a great time reading and learning in Bookflix. Maybe you can find a book that you're interested in, practice some of your reading skills, and play some fun games. Until next time, goodbye.